On the 18th of May 1848, the Frankfurt Parliament, the first freely elected parliament for all of Germany, opened at St. Paul's Church. Welcome to HistoryPod. The Frankfurt National Assembly grew out of the revolutions of 1848. The German state experienced uprisings fueled by dissatisfaction with autocratic rule, economic hardship, and a desire for national unification. In response, German rulers agreed to reforms, including the election of representatives to a national assembly. Over 800 delegates, many of them professors, lawyers, and other professionals, were elected to attend. The Parliament sought to draft a constitution to unify the independent German states into a single nation governed by liberal principles, but it faced significant challenges from the outset. Delegates were even divided between those who wanted a Greater Germany or Großdeutschland, including Austria, and those who supported a Lesser Germany or Kleindeutschland without Austria. Religious divisions, especially between Protestant and Catholic states, and differences over the balance of power between monarchs and the Parliament also complicated proceedings. Debate continued until, in March 1849, the Frankfurt Parliament offered the crown of a united Germany to King Friedrich Wilhelm IV of Prussia. However, he refused to accept it, since it had been granted by a popular assembly rather than by other monarchs. Without Prussian support, the Parliament lacked the power to implement its plans, and in the months that followed, lost influence before being dissolved by force in June 1849. Nevertheless, although the Frankfurt Parliament failed to achieve its immediate aims, it established important precedents for German unification, which would be realised in the second half of the 19th century.